Ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit? What if you could earn money while you sleep just by blogging? In today's video, I'm revealing a step-by-step guide on how to start a blog for beginners and transform it into a steady passive income stream in 2025. Stay tuned for powerful tips, proven strategies, and even a bonus tool that'll skyrocket your success. Welcome to our channel where we help you make money online. Blogging isn't just a creative outlet. It's one of the most effective ways to build a long-term income. With the right niche, quality content, and smart monetization, you can attract a flood of organic traffic. We'll cover everything from choosing your niche to advanced SEO, affiliate marketing, and more. If you're ready to take the first step towards financial freedom, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Step 1 is picking a niche that not only excites you, but also has profitable potential. Use keyword research tools to target terms like blog for beginners, make money blogging, and earn passive income online. Once you've chosen your niche, select a reliable platform. WordPress, Blogger, or Wix are excellent choices to start fast and scale as you grow. Your niche and platform are the foundation of your blog, so choose wisely. Now that you have your niche, it's time to create content. Remember, content is king. Write in-depth, engaging posts that answer your audience's questions and solve their problems. Use long-tail keywords like how to start a blog for beginners and earn money from blogging naturally in your content. Don't forget to optimize with meta descriptions, alt tags, and internal linking to boost your SEO. Quality content will rank higher on search engines and drive targeted traffic to your blog. With great content comes great monetization. There are multiple ways to turn your blog into a money-making machine. 1. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you trust and earn commissions on sales. 2. Google AdSense. Let ads run on your blog for a steady revenue stream. 3. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands once your traffic grows. 4. Digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or exclusive content to your readers. Diversifying your income streams is key. Experiment with these strategies to find what works best for your audience. Here are some bonus tools to boost your blogging success. SEO tools. Use Yoast SEO or Rank Math to optimize your posts. Analytics. Google Analytics helps you track your traffic and refine your strategy. Keyword research. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can reveal high-volume keywords for your niche. Remember, consistency is key. Regular posting, engaging with your audience, and staying updated with SEO trends will make a huge difference over time. Starting a blog can be challenging. Whether it's writer's block, low traffic, or monetization hurdles, every blogger faces obstacles. My advice? Keep learning, adapt, and don't be afraid to experiment. I've been where you are, and every setback is a setup for a comeback. Drop your biggest blogging challenge in the comments below, and I might address it in my next video. To sum it up, choose a profitable niche, create quality content with solid SEO, and diversify your monetization methods. These steps will set you on the path to earning money from blogging in 2025. If you enjoyed this guide and are ready to turn your passion into profit, smash that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more in-depth online income strategies. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your progress or any questions you have. I read every comment. Thanks for watching. Once again, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and here's to your blogging success.